Hi children, good evening. Today we are going to see about tea, which is on page number 167. Okay, it is also a tropical crop. Then it is the most famous beverage all over the world. We know that one, and it is obtained from tea shrub. Tea shrub. This leaf obtained from which bear? Yes, tea shrub, not tea plant. Okay, then this tea, it was introduced to us by the Britishers. Then it has stimulating qualities, children. Then the rainfall needed for tea is 250 centimeter. Okay, and the temperature should be 25 degrees Celsius, which is moderate temperature. Then hill slopes. Hill slope is the best suited place for the tea plantation. Then we term tea gardens as tea estates. Then this plantation, it is in a scientific lines. It is managed in which line? Scientific lines. Then tea is mainly produced in countries like China, Kenya, Bangladesh, Japan, Sri Lanka. Okay, and Indonesia, there also they are producing tea. Then India, it is the largest producer of tea. Okay, children. Then Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Assam, in these places of India also we are producing tea. Then first of all, Sri Lanka, this people is the largest producer of tea. Next, China, the third one is India, children. Then let us see about coffee. So coffee, it is also a popular beverage like tea. Then this coffee, it is obtained from the bean of the plant. Here we derived the word coffee from the district of Kefia. It is in southern Ethiopia. In this place only the coffee was found. Okay. Then after pick the beans are fermented, dried and roasted. Finally ground those beans into coffee powder. Coffee is also a tropical crop, children, but it is sensitive to direct heat and frost. Then coffee plant, it needs 150 to 200 centimeter of rainfall and it needs 22 degrees Celsius of average temperature. And the best suitable soil for coffee is loamy soil. Then we need some shelter from direct sunlight. Then Robusta Arabica. These are the main two varieties of coffee. Brazil, it is the leading producer and exporter of coffee. So we term Brazil as coffee pot of the world. Okay, children. Then in India, in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, these three states are coffee producing states. Then we move to the topic agricultural development, children. So day by day population is growing. So like that we have to improve the agriculture also to fulfill the growing population needs, right? So that's why over the past 30 years the total amount of food in the world has increased. We know that when. So all the countries put much effort to increase the crop production. Okay, by replacing manures with chemical fertilizers, hybrid variety of seeds, and then in between this pesticide, insecticides, fungicides, and rodenticides usages are more and more nowadays. Okay, then Green Revolution they introduced in the later half of the 1960s. After this Green Revolution only, India introduced many high-yielding varieties of seeds and then usage of fertilizers, and our government had started to provide loan to the farmers for investing in tubewells, pumps and tractors. By this effort only, our farmers they increased their production and made India as a self-sufficient country in food grains. Now let us see the difference between agriculture farm in India and agriculture farm in USA. Here average farm in India is very small, but average farm in USA is very large. Okay, our farmers they're having 1 acres because of the rich vein, because it's divided among the years of the cultivators generation after generation. Okay, but in USA the land is abundant. Okay, they are holding at least 250 hectares. 1 hectare is equal to 2.47 acres, children. So a farmer, he may hold 600 acres for himself. Then the land holdings are consolidated in India through cooperative farming. Okay, children, here they are using intensive agriculture method. But what about America people? They are using extensive agriculture method. Extensive agriculture method. Already we have studied about intensive agriculture method and extensive agriculture method in the last lesson, right? Then in India, the farmers, they are unable to afford costly machines. Okay, all the things they are doing by manually. But in America, they are commercially grown. Okay, so that's why those people, they are having more and more modern machinery. Okay, for everything they are using machines. Then in India, chemical fertilizers are not abundantly used. Okay, then use of pesticides and high yielding variety seeds also limited, but there USA chemical fertilizers they are using abundantly. Then they are using modified seeds. Okay, then our farmers, they are poor and illiterate, but what about USA farmers? They are highly educated. So they apply some scientific methods like soil sampling, soil ability and water ability before showing the seeds in the field. Okay, but our people, they are not doing like that. Then USA farmers, they have grain storage system. They have world class storage facility, children. Grains are stored in silos, big containers made up of steel. Okay, but what about our farmers? They don't have that much grain storage facilities. So that's why they have to sell the produce before it decays. Okay, but what about the USA people? They stored everything, then they sell whenever the prices of the crops high. Okay, then finally our farmers are poor. But what about that farmers? That farmers are rich, because our farmers, they are not educated as much as USA farmers, and then our farmers, they haven't enough storage facilities. They are not using more machineries when compared to USA peoples. Okay, when compared to USA people. But what about our farmers? They are using only ancient method of farming. But nowadays all the people, they started to use modern machinery methods. Especially at the time of harvesting, they are using harvesting machines. Okay, they are renting the harvesting machine, and then they use those harvesting machines for cultivation. Okay, children, kindly take your book and read Tea, Coffee, Agriculture Development, Agriculture, Farm in India and USA. Kindly see the PDF, children. Complete the fair note and mark the book back question answers also, children. Okay, thank you.